A spring capsule wardrobe isn't about owning less, it's about owning with intention. It celebrates lightness, clarity, and calm after the heavy months of winter. Each piece is chosen not for trends but for how it breathes, moves, and quietly elevates your presence. This style isn't loud, it whispers elegance in soft fabrics, gentle colors, and silhouettes that float rather than cling. The foundation begins with breathable, quality fabrics: linen, cotton, poplin, fine silk, and lightweight cashmere that shape the mood of spring without stiffness. Each textile serves a purpose: comfort, grace, and effortless refinement. Pieces like the classic trench coat or wide-leg trousers bring structure without bulk, framing the body with quiet power. The trench, in camel or ivory, adds timeless polish. Whether layered over a dress or worn casually, trousers in soft wool or linen blends offer day-to-night flexibility while maintaining a tailored finish. Color is treated as mood, not decoration. Spring's palette leans toward muted tones: ivory, sand, dove gray, and pale pastels like blush, lavender, or pistachio. These colors blend instead of compete, transforming your wardrobe into a calming, mixable system. Soft florals, when included, are painterly and refinerly loud or juvenile. Staples like silk blouses, midi dresses, and airy skirts form the core of this refined wardrobe. A midi dress becomes the one-and-done solution for rushed mornings, while a flowing blouse adds femininity to clean trousers. Wrap skirts and pleated midis provide movement and grace, encouraging versatility across settings: brunch, errands, or quiet dinners. Layering is done thoughtfully. A soft cashmere crewneck over a slip dress or draped cardigan over a tee provides warmth without sacrificing elegance. Blazers in pale hues, made from linen or cotton twill, bring structure without heaviness, perfect for the office or a breezy evening out. Accessories are intentionally quiet. A silk scarf, vintage-inspired bag, minimal jewelry, or a fine belt punctuates a look without shouting. Spring shoes, polished loafers, slingbacks, kitten heels ground every outfit with comfort and subtle sophistication. Even premium denim has its place, when kept clean, tailored, and in soft washes. Editing is key. Spring invites us to release what no longer fits physically or emotionally. A successful capsule doesn't just save time, it creates space for clarity. When every piece fits, flatters, and supports your pace, getting dressed becomes peaceful, rather than stressful. More than just clothing, the spring capsule is about presence, posture, grooming, subtle fragrance, and a sense of ease complete the look. Your clothes don't overshadow, they support the woman you are becoming. Ultimately, the promise of timeless spring style lies in freedom. You're not chasing fast fashion, you're dressing in alignment with your life, your rhythm, and your sense of calm. It's elegance that lingers, seasonless, grounded, and fully yours.